Alright boys, here's a train at the Orlando airport. This is just like Vegas. It's the 8 p.m. I'm gonna go further.
Next stop, A and B.
I'm on this one. Oh, there's There we go, this is the website.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. The
There we
doors
go.
are now closing.
Yeah, there's the
Please
airport.
stand clear of doors and hold on to the handrails.
Okay,
The
let's
shuttle
see.
will be departing momentarily for the main terminal.
I don't
You
expect
will
this to be
arriving
I
on
don't
the
expect this to be
third
better than the
level of
Vegas one, but who knows?
Baggage claim is on level
Surprise
2.
me, I'd love to.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident of Central Florida, I want to welcome you home. If you're a visitor, welcome to the city.
Holy shit, this is good.
Health and well-being
Yeah.
of our home. Not only the world-class theme parks and attractions, but all of our accommodations, our restaurants, our retail establishments,
Holy
and
shit.
of course our arts and culture. We're glad that you are here and we hope that you enjoy.
Okay, this one's good, but the Vegas one is better. 100%, the Vegas one is special. There's the main parking garage. And I don't know where the Hyatt Regency is, but I'll find it. Maybe I'll film. But this is the last airport. After I leave this, I'm not doing more airports. I already
Please
finished.
stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails.
What's up, bitches?
When the 8 p.m. stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim
Yeah, that
B.
was good.
Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 1.
We are. I think that's where it is, but I'm not sure.
The doors are now opening. Please exit to baggage claim B.
Alright, there we go.
Please watch your step.
This is the Orlando airport. It looks pretty old school.